What changed your mind? Diba?
What do
What
you
did
think?
you...
What do you think? Anong narinig mo? Bakit ba siya tinanggal? Is it performance? Is it what?
Well, Phoenix did
Relationship?
not. Phoenix
Mm-hmm.
did have. Phoenix did not have a good record. But then
Yes.
again, Phoenix always had not a good record. Diba? It's not like
Mm-hmm.
this is not. We're not talking about TNT for God's sake. You know,
Mm-hmm.
we're talking about the Phoenix Fuel Masters. Na hindi naman magaling, maganda ang personnel nila. This is not a team that's actually loaded with all stars. Diba?
Mm-hmm.
So, and then again, you hire a coach, at least you give him a runway. I-hire mo siya, you give him a chance to build his team, put his own personnel, and you can't just do that in one conference. He inherited a team na kay Coach Jamaic Jaren. So,
Mm-hmm.
you have to establish your voice, establish your presence, your system, diba? And after a conference, pinalitan mo. So, how does that make sense? Si Chris Gabina, coach ng University of the East.
Mm-hmm.
You cannot find a worse record in the UAAP. 0-14. 14 na laro, walang panalo. But from what I was told, babalik si Chris Gabina next season. I would have fired him, because if you base your your job tenure, security of tenure based on performance, there's no performance there. 0-14. Pero binigyan ng chance si Chris Gabina because nga, he inherited the program from Jack Santiago, and you give him
Mm-hmm.
a chance to have his own recruits, to establish his firm footing, his voice in the organization, in the program, and then you
Mm-hmm.
evaluate from there. Kung wala pa rin, then that's on him. Life is about second chances. Life is not about one conference. Yun ang hindi ko nagustuhan sa Phoenix. And then I just hope na, kasi may narinig ako from my sources, Coach Willie Wilson and Coach Jamaic Jarin would not speak to it kasi ayaw naman nila na, sisiraan yung franchise kasi mabait naman sa kanila.